Hi everyone, welcome to Bloomfield Car Sales, located on the Greenhills Road, Dublin 12, just a 5-minute drive from exit 10, Ballymount on the M50, with over 25 years experience in the motor trade. Today we are giving you a look around our 2012 Ford Focus that has just came into stock. There is 167,000 kilometres from new on the car. It has a 11 stamp service history. It is due to be serviced in our workshop as well. Fantastic condition, just traded in from a previous customer. It has rear parking sensors, it has FM radio auxiliary, USB and Bluetooth for your phone connection, electric windows in the front, aircon, a decent bit of boot space as well. It is currently executed in February 25 and the road tax is until September of 2024 and it's just €190 a year. If this car is of any interest to you, please do give us a call on 085 100 8394 or do send us a query wherever you are picking this up. Thank you.